The Law Society of Zimbabwe (LSZ) statement reinforced the position that the consultative process on Amendment Bill No. 3 was fundamentally flawed, exclusionary, and inconsistent with constitutional standards. A bill that was illegally gazetted, sailed through a process marked by intimidation and limited participation cannot produce a legitimate consultation outcome. Sadapina mashoko pamusoro this statement ramuri kuona raproduced the LSZ. Nobody subscribe or like on the bell icon. The Law Society of Zimbabwe (LSZ), the voice of the legal profession in Zimbabwe, wishes to express its views on the consultative process around Constitutional Amendment No. 3, 2026. The LSZ notes that the 4-day timeline, 30 March to 2 April 2026, and the number of public meetings scheduled for the whole of Zimbabwe, 65 centers across the country, in a country of over 6 million registered voters, were severely restricted and grossly inadequate for an issue of such national importance. The public consultative process was rushed and limited, with allegations of some venues being inaccessible to other citizens, thus having a negative impact on transparency and inclusivity of the whole process. Section 328(4) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe provides that Parliament must convene these meetings and provide facilities to enable the public to scrutinize the bill and provide input. See Section 328(4). Thus, if other citizens are precluded from providing their input by virtue of their limitations of venues, time, and opportunity to speak, it negates the spirit of Constitution. Members of the public raised allegations of intimidation, harassment, abduction, and violence. Some media houses also reported disruptions in media recordings and journalist work. In the run-up to the parliamentary public hearings, violent attacks were widely reported on Professor Lovemo Maduku, a member of the NCA, an opposition political party, harassment of Tendai Biti at his Milton Park Law offices, and subsequent arrest of Mutare also point a restrictive environment. Doma developments are kuda panguva ine tikuona kuti chokwadi avachakubudiswa zvinhu kunzi all those public hearings akaitwa zviri flawed, haana kuitwa nenzira yavo chaiyo. Ina comment section yetu uzofungura imo kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usangana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.